Printer not printing, 4 fixes, offline status, stuck queue, spooler and driver. One of these will get it printing again. Windows sometimes marks your printer offline while it's sitting right there, powered on and connected. Open settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, then printers and scanners. Click your printer from the list. Click open print queue. Queue window opens. At the top, click printer in the menu bar. Look for use printer offline. If it has a check mark, click it. The check mark disappears. Printer goes back online. Try printing. If it goes, you're done. If it's still stuck, one jam job in the queue might be blocking everything behind it. That's next. One stuck job holds up every job behind it. Clearing it unblocks the whole line. Press Windows key and R together. Type services.msc. Hit enter. Services opens. Scroll down to print spooler. Right click it. Hit stop. Leave this window open. Open File Explorer. Click the address bar at the top and paste this path exactly. C:/Windows/System32/spool/printers. Hit enter. Continue. The folder opens. Select everything inside it. Control A. Hit delete. You're not deleting the folder itself, just clearing what's stuck inside it. Back in Services, right-click Print Spooler. Hit Start. Spooler is back up. Queue's clean. Try printing. If it works, drop fixed in the comments. Still not printing? 2 more, and one of them catches a setting most people don't know exists. Windows has a setting that quietly reassigns your default printer on its own. Your jobs might be going to a device that doesn't exist anymore. Open Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Printers and Scanners. Scroll down and find Let Windows Manage My Default Printer. Turn that off. Now click your actual printer from the list. Click Set as Default. Your printer now shows as default. That's Windows confirming it's the target. Try printing. Still nothing? The driver might be corrupted. That's the last fix, and it's the one that works when everything else doesn't. A corrupted driver accepts the print job and silently drops it. Windows thinks it's sent, printer never received. Open Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Printers and Scanners. Click your printer, click Remove, confirm it disappears from the list. Press Windows key and R, type devmgmt.msc. Hit enter, Device Manager opens. Find Print Queues, expand it. Right-click your printer, hit Uninstall Device, uninstall. Restart your PC. Restart yours, I'll be here when it comes back. When Windows boots, it'll detect the printer and reinstall the driver automatically. If it doesn't show up, search your printer's brand plus drivers. Download the installer for your exact model, run it, and follow the steps. Try printing one more time. Printer not printing should be sorted. Drop a comment saying fixed. If it's still not printing, tell me what you're seeing and I'll help.